Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain you the last steps for finishing your work. I will explain you how to do the animated GIF as well, okay? So as you can see over here in my layers panel, I have all my layers already renamed and in order, right? I created a composition of my hamburger and I also added my name, okay? Let me explain you how to do the name first. So over here you have the horizontal type tool. Choose that tool. Do one click and start typing your name, okay? In my case is Miss Priscilla. I am going to click here in the check mark to put the changes there. And in the properties panel, I can change the font that I would like to have for my name. I can also change the size and the color, okay? After that, what you are going to do is to organize your layers, okay? So as you can see, I have all my layers here already in the composition where I put all my burger. I am making them visible one at a time so that you can see the edges and how I organize them, okay? I don't want them to be super flat. Do not use a lot the transform option that I showed you, the skew option, because that will distort your work, okay? So as you can see, my images, yes, I used skew, but I didn't use it a lot, just a little bit. So my ingredients can fit better, okay? Now what we are going to do is the following. If you remember from the first practice, the animated GIF that we did, we created or we did a change for every frame, right? So this is what we are going to do. So after you have all your layers organized, we are going to hide them all except for the first one, okay? Which in this case is the bottom bun. And I'm also going to leave my name active so it's visible throughout the entire animation. Then we're going to go to Window and find the Timeline panel, okay? These will open the timeline like we did in pixel art, okay? So as you can see, the first frame only is showing my first bun and the name, okay? Then we have this button over here to duplicate the frame. So I'm going to click over there, and as you can see, it duplicated everything that I had in the previous one. And now I'm going to appear the second ingredient. I will duplicate the frame again, then the third ingredient, and so on, okay? So once we're done, when we click play, all my ingredients will start to appear and I will have my animated GIF ready. You can change here the seconds that you would like for that ingredient to appear. In this case, I have it in 0.50 or 0.5. If I put 1, okay, I would have to make the adjustments for all the frames. For this assignment, we are going to keep it in 1 second of delay so we can clearly see the ingredient, okay, and how you beautifully removed the background from it. So let me change all of them to 1 second. I play to see the result, okay. Very good. So this way we can see all the ingredients that are part of your burger. So I'm going to click here in File, Save a Copy. And in the Format options, I'm going to choose GIF. Choose the folder in which you want to save it. I'm just going to save it directly to my desktop and click Save. Here in the GIF Save options, we just click OK. Then here in Finder, I will see my file, my GIF, and to open it, if you just do double click, it will open it in the View app, but you will see all the frames separate like this, okay? So how can you tell it is an animated GIF? We do right click, open with Google Chrome, and this will show you the animated GIF, okay? So the third format in which you are going to save this is as a JPEG, okay? So I'm going to click in the last frame where I have my entire composition created. I will go to File, Save a Copy, And in the format this time, I'm going to choose JPEG, okay? I will choose the folder in which I want to save it, which is in the desktop for me. Click Save, okay? Maximum quality, click OK. And now in my folder, I have the JPEG and the GIF, okay? You already have the PSD. This is the first one that you created. So these are the 3 files that you are going to upload to your summative: the PSD, the JPEG, and the animated GIF.